to fix WhatsApp link is not opening properly. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your WhatsApp link is not opening properly on your WhatsApp. For that you need to watch this video till the end. First of all, ensure that your WhatsApp is installed and updated to the latest version from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. You have to just navigate to your Play Store or Apple Store and go for the source icon here. So just go for the source icon and search for the WhatsApp here. Once you have searched for the WhatsApp, if there is any update available, then you have to update up your WhatsApp Messenger app. So wait until the installation has been successfully completed. So once you have updated your WhatsApp, also you can try opening the link directly in a web browser. You have to copy the link and paste it in your browser address bar. Also you can go for your setting of your device and go for your apps here. Under your apps, you have to just tap on the manage app and scroll down to find the WhatsApp here. So once you have find the WhatsApp, you have to just go for the clear data and clear your cache on your WhatsApp. So here you have to just clear your cache, not clear the data. So if you clear your data on your WhatsApp, all the data will be clear. If the problem persists, you have to try uninstalling your WhatsApp and then reinstalling. So make sure to back up your chat first. You have to back up your WhatsApp chat first, then you can uninstall and reinstall your WhatsApp. So sometimes a simple restart also can solve your app issue. You have to restart your device. So ensure you have a stable internet connection on your device. You can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that also solves the issues. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix WhatsApp link it's not opening properly. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.